Did you hear that? Master is calling. Zoinks! Well, don't just stand there. Follow me. Hi there. My name's Benji. Most people think that I am just a therapy dog. Well, I am so much more than that. Well, I've gotten really good at gardening this summer. I learned everything I know from my mom, Chelsea. That's her right there in the yellow. We have been working really hard on this community garden all summer long, but it would be great to get some help with it. You see, harvest isn't too far away, and we can use all the paws we can get. Come and join us every single Friday morning. Otherwise, I'm going to have to eat all these vegetables by myself.
Squirrel!